This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Tammy Beavers. Beautiful brick one-level home with high vaulted ceilings and open floor plan between great room/kitchen/dining room. Just off the great room is a screened-in porch and decks perfect for entertaining. Home offers hardwood floors and vinyl luxury floating floors, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, split floor plan for privacy. Master bedroom has large ensuite with 2 large walk-in closets his/hers. Master bath features large jetted/soaking tub with separate shower and water closet, extra storage in bath plus a extra closet in hall for additional storage. Spacious 2-car attached garage with additional carport in back with sides that can store more vehicles or be used for workshop. Seller has had a RV pad poured with water and electricity to be used for parking RV and or cleaning up outside vehicles. For more information, review the details below or contact Tammy Beavers at 865-342-4200.